PSA, guys. So, everybody's known I've had fueling issues. I had these tanks clean. I keep saying it. So, turning the passenger side one, the one I had most of the trouble out of, that clogged up my crossover, thank God it did because it didn't get my other system. It just packed my fuel filter or my fuel pump. So, I don't know what to say. I really don't. I mean, you look for yourself. I mean, bruh. Hate to tell you that. They're a little rusty now. Might have been from all the water that was sitting in it. But, I mean, that's nothing but dirt. I mean, that's crunchy. It's muddy. It's got rocks and shit in it, and a little bit of rust. But still say somebody did something to my shit. I mean, what do you think? Hate to say that, but I mean, I clean these things out. There's no now. I mean, I'm not saying they were perfect, but I know that wasn't in there. I scoped the shit out of this thing. You can see the water. I don't know how water got in it, but water got in it. PSA, guys, put some locking caps on your trucks. Thank you. Have a good day.